Hey everyone, today once again we are in City Forest, and here with me
Hi
is Monu.
guys.
Monu, and the topic for today, which I have opted, is yoga and meditation. The role of yoga in our life, right? See, we have not realized the fact that uh, yoga, which was given to us years back, right, which has been a part of Indian culture, we have not recognized this thing. So let's start. Let's have a discussion. I would include Monu in this discussion, and I would want his opinion. Monu, what do you think? What is the role of yoga and meditation in our life?
Yoga is very benefit for your day for our daily life.
Okay.
It's give a regular fitness, like Surya Namaskar.
Okay.
In Surya Namaskar, your all body gets stretched and you get fresh. All body.
Okay.
In like Alom Vilom, you get a fresh oxygen and release carbon dioxide. And also in Alom Vilom, you also your lungs get fresh,
Okay.
lungs get oxidized,
Okay.
and after that there's also one asana like butterfly. That's like this asana. This is good for your this. If you do this asana, your hair didn't get fall in life. You didn't get a hair fall. So
Okay.
there are many of the asanas which you include in your daily life. Look today's situation. We are busy in corporate jobs. We do the sitting jobs.
Right. Right. Correct.
We have daily faced the issue of hair falls, cholesterol. By doing yoga, we can control all of these.
Right.
Okay.
So, Monu, it is said, like in modern days, people have very less time to give to these things. So, what would you like to say about this? People should take out some time, like an hour or an hour and a half, for the fitness purpose
At least give
from
one,
the busy schedule.
at least give 1 hour to your body because it's your body.
Right.
It's the most precious thing in the world.
Right. True. True. So, like, how much time do you give to fitness?
I'm also working in corporate life. I used to give only 1 hour in a daily routine.
Okay, you mean to say you give 1 hour every day?
Yes.
And preferably, which place do you choose for fitness purpose
Okay.
generally?
I used to go to the park actually, and today we are in City Forest. If
So
didn't-
nowadays we are coming to City Forest.
if it is possible, go on your rooftop, do in your home. If
Okay.
you want to do it, Surya
Right.
Namaskar is a
Those who don't have time to go to park, they should
Yes.
go to terrace.
Go to
And-
terrace on your home.
Right. Right. And especially one good thing I find about parks and coming to City Forest, you get fresh oxygen, and if it is possible,
And you also get motivated for also
yes,
all
seeing
of-
other people.
by seeing other people, you also get motivated there.
Right, and we should come as early as possible, because when you come at 5 o'clock or 5:30, you get fresh air,
Yes.
and if possible, we should at least run for 5 minutes. Then lots of fresh oxygen goes to our body, right?
Yes. Yeah.
So, which practices do you do on regular basis to keep yourself fit? Monu?
I walk for 2.5 kilometers. After that, I 10 times do the Surya Namaskar. I do the plank for 1 minute.
Okay.
I do the jump for 100 times.
Oh, that's great. That's great. So, guys, that's it for the day. I hope this video with Monu motivated you to keep yourself fit. Keep watching our channel. Keep watching. Keep supporting English Talk. See you in the next video.